Hey everyone, Greg here from Ecotech Media. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create new product categories within VirtueMart and link them to menu items within Joomla. First things first, go ahead and navigate to your Joomla administrator section by going to your domain/administrator. So for instance, I would go to ecotechmedia.com/administrator and go ahead and insert in your username and password and log in. From there, we're going to first create the categories within VirtueMart. So go ahead and navigate to Components and then VirtueMart. And then go ahead and click on Product Categories. As you can see, I have a bunch of categories in here already with products ready to go. But I know what you're thinking, well, that doesn't help me. And you need to learn how to create them. So let's go ahead and click on New here in the top right-hand corner and get you started. It's actually really simple. There's only a few fields. A lot of them are more in depth than what we're going to go into here today. The basics are essentially just adding in the category name, which for us we're going to entitle fuel, and then we can just give a little description here. So 5 milliliter and 10 milliliter nicotine, refillable nicotine cartridges or packs. And then this meta information down here is for SEO purposes mostly. You can add your own author, keywords, description, custom page title. It's very, very important for keywords and SEO purposes. So we're going to kind of leave all that blank for now. Wouldn't want to give you any of my SEO secrets, but that's where that would go. And then as far as the details here, that's something that is a little more in depth than what I'm going to be able to go into here today, because we have to talk about the menu items. So I'm going to go ahead. You can also attach images to the categories, which I am going to go ahead and do now by simply going to image, choosing a file down here, and creating a unique file name, which I will actually entitle the same as the original file name just for simplicity, and then just go ahead and hit save. Now voila, your new product category is created. Now what you're going to be asking is, how do I link this to a menu item within Joomla? It's very simple. You just go ahead and navigate over here to menus, and then main menu. And it could be different depending on where you want to add it, but I'll go ahead and show you an example here. This is our main menu up in the top right, and we have several different categories already that when we click are linked to different products. So how do we do that? Well, very simple. Like I said, navigate here to whichever menu you're trying to add it to. I have a top menu, a sidebar menu. The current menu we're trying to add it to would be the main menu. As you can see, I have several already added in here. So we're just going to go ahead and create a new one by once again going up to the top and clicking new. Once in new, the most important and the first one is the menu item type, so we're just going to hit select. And then we're going to navigate under VirtueMart and then select category layout. Now you can select, there are several different options here that you can select. There's the shopping cart, the VirtueMart categories, which is several categories being laid out. All different types, list orders, product details, so forth and so on. You can customize it a million different ways, but for us, we just want to lay out the actual category and all the items within it. Then over here, you're going to see as a required setting, it says select which category you want to display. Well, now we can simply choose our newly created category, fuel, add in the title, catchy title here. And the alias and everything else is pretty much set exactly how we want it. Now there are a bunch of other options which are A little bit outside of what I'm going to be able to go into in this tutorial, but we will be able to discuss them in another tutorial. It's more Joomla related, has to do with the menu items themselves. But just for the sake of simplicity, that's all you need. Go ahead and hit save and close. And then once you navigate to your front end and refresh, you will see the new menu item. Now I know what you're saying. Well, oh, that menu item is after contact. It's not how it's supposed to be, and that's definitely correct. You can easily go in here and sort your menu items by clicking this handy little arrow here and changing the ordering. You can also manually change it, type in different numbers and hit save, or move up or move down. You can also publish or unpublish it. Let's say this is a seasonal item and it's no longer being published. I can just decide to completely remove the entire menu item itself, and then when I refresh the page, it's completely gone. So I mean, that's a really basic tutorial on everything that you need to create the new menu categories and the new category and the new menu item, and link everything in Joomla. Now there's nothing in here currently because I haven't gone in and put anything in, but we're going to be discussing that in our very next tutorial, so look for more tutorials from me very soon. Thanks so much.